da kiveki any angzi lobse chukshi bichanga chapter number 14 and the name of the chapter is factorization. Ta lobse the mingla kharela na factorization re. Ta thangbo factorization ma de nyela ninganzo factors lana kharla orra. So before starting factorization, I would like to talk about what is actually factor. Factor and factors, what do you understand by the term factors? Now, first of all, you have to understand the term factors. So in factors, for example, we will take a natural number. Natural numbers, if we take an example of natural numbers, so first of all, what is natural numbers? Natural numbers, a number which starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity. Now, we will take any natural number. For example, if I take an example of number 12, so 12 is a natural number. Number chungni dikhare? Natural number. The natural number dikhachi factors here. So, we are going to find out the factors of 12. So the factors of 12 is number 1 is a factor and 12. 1 and 12 is the factor of 12. And number 1 is the factor of all the number. Number 1 is correct? Factor of all the numbers. Number 1 dikhatu ine factor re khari gachi number khazu chembo ine ra chinju ine re chembo ine re number 1 dikha chalana any factor of all the numbers chere. The number 12 itself is also a factor of 12. The 12 ki factor shemba khar yorta 12 khari ki table na li re chik the 1 ki table na li ra. So niwa di 2 6 the 12 ra 2 the 6 dikhare factor of 12. And similarly, 3 4s are 12 and 3 4s are 12. So 3 and 4 are also the factor of 12 and 2 and 6 are also factors of 12. How say the factors lana 100. Now in totality we are going to write all the factors of number 12. The number 12 kachi factor chaza thienda. So factors of 12 are. So what are the factors of 12? Now we are going to write all these factors one by one. So number 1 is a factor of 12. Number 2 is a factor of 12. Number 3 is a factor of 12. Number 4 is a factor of 12. Number 6 is the factor of 12. And number 12 are also the factor of a number 12 itself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Then sama khare factor re khari gachi natural number chungni gachi factor re la go se. The nganzo thanda example khari gachi le re natural number gachi ke share. Natural number gachi ke share ba nganzo example la number chungni le re. Chikpa chikya inte number chenga yore chapge yore nisa chik yore ra. So you have lots of numbers, natural numbers ra. Okay. Ta nganzo kesi natural number di kicha shethana tanganzo khar discuss chela na ani algebraic factors la algebraic expression gachi factor. If we talk about natural numbers, then next we are going to talk about algebraic expression factors. Now we are going to find out the factors of the algebraic expression. The algebraic expression kaching also factors hai inda. The algebraic expression la samba khala olla na natural number niyam do ni variable yogyo la ko say. So for example, if I take an example 5xy. Now this 5xy is an algebraic expression and now we're going to find out the factors of this algebraic expression. So 5xy is your algebraic expression. Now we're going to find the factors. So we can write it as a number 5 multiply number x multiply number y. Right. Number 5 multiply number x multiply number y. So these are the factors of algebraic expression 5xy. 5x and y are the factors of algebraic expression 5xy, and similarly number 1 also. As I already told you that number 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Number 1 दिखा रहे number खचु इन्हें उन तो सामा दिखा रहे factorial. Similarly, if I take one more example, for example, if I took an example of 15xy. Now, again we are going to find out the factors of 15. The 15 khari ki table nani. Number 1, number 3, number 5, and what else? Number 15 and x and y. Now all these are the factors of number 15xy. See how when you multiply all these numbers, 1 दिखा रहे number सामा दिखा रहे लसे ये कर रहे लसे factorial चियोंगा that 2 table ना चियोंगा ली मरा. So 3 5s are 15 and 15 1s are 15 and x and y. So all these are the factors of algebraic expression 15xy. Goes to say. Now one more example. Okay, the example for example 3x x plus 2. Now we are going to find the factor of this number. So factors factors है number 3 ta x the loga de ra. So number 1 means 3x the also 3x की factor से थोड़ी ने x plus 2 ra x plus 2 दिखा रहे x plus 2 दी term नीचे ra x loga रे 2 loga रे लर इन्हें x plus 2 का जी factor से x plus 2 दिखो रहा factor चिक रे ra 3x का जी factor खाली रे number 1 ली रे ra यानी number 3 ली रे number x ली रे अन्यम दोला x plus 2 खुरान दिखा रहे factor चिक रे. Now number 1, number 3 and number x and x plus 2 is also a one factor. So this is how we are going to find out the factors of algebraic expression. Now we have learned about the factorization, and our next topic is factorization. So in factorization, our next topic is factorization. So in factorization, we are going to find out the factorization method. Answer की topic next दिखाला ना factorization method रे. ता factorization method नाम लो ला method सुम ये रे. Method सुम दिखार कर रे ला ना. अनि थांगबो दिखाला ना common factor रा. First method, your first method is common factor method. Okay class. Now second is regrouping. Regrouping method. And the third method is using identity method. So one by one we are going to discuss about it. So first of all we will discuss about the common factor method. So first thangbo hanso khar share line be khar jangar lana ani common factor method di jangar inda. Ta common factor method namlo lata pinacha shanangi algebraic expression theory ranzala. Okay, for example, if I give you one algebraic expression, now we are going to find out common factor. Right. We are going to factorize the algebraic expression with the help of a common factor method. So, suppose you have a algebraic expression 5xy and (10x). Right. Then answer algebraic expression you have a 5xy and 10x. Now you're going to find out the common factors between 5xy and 10x. 5xy the 10x ni ki parula ning answer ki common factor find out chere. So we are going to solve this and going to find out the common factor between these two algebraic expression. So your first expression is 5xy and your second expression is 10x. Now 5xy the answer we are going to write the factors of 5xy. So 5xy the answer number 5 multiply number x multiply number y. Similarly, number 10x. How we will write number algebraic expression 10x? Okay, 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by x. Now we are going to find out the common factors between these two algebraic expression. So, okay class, now here number 5 and here number 5. These two are common, right? And variable x and variable x. Tang answer ki common answer ki khande thiel na. Hence the common factors are. Hence common factors are khande thier the answer. 5 ni da thinchik thier x ni da thinchik thier. So we can write it as a 5x and now hangma lagyo dikhajo re 2 the y lasa. So 2 the y the answer bracket ki namal here 2 plus y. What does it say? So the common factor is 5x is the common factor and we can write it as a like 5x and 2 plus y. This is your product. Okay class, now we are going to discuss one more question and your question is you have 3 different algebraic expression. Your first expression is 3x square y cube. Your second expression is 10x cube y square. And your third expression is 6x square y square z. Now you're going to find out the common factors. Okay class. Now one by one we are going to find out the factors. 3x square y cube. Okay, so we can write it as a 3 multiply x multiply x and then multiply y multiply y multiply y. Y sum ureler x ni ureler. The factors form nalol share danganjo common factors share. New de langanjo khal chelna any 10x cube ni y square get share. So we can write it as a 2 5s are 10 and then x into x into x into y into y. What does it say? So, and third we have third we have 6x square y square and z. So 2 into 3 into x into x into y into y into z. Tangan so expression sum theorera 3x square y cube che 10x cube y square and 6x square y square z ra. Tinso sum ka nanglo lata common gorda tela penetration dele 3 and 3 ra expressions hamala gore ra. So number 3 del do here we don't have 3, here we have. So 3 is not a common factor. Next we have a variable x. So variable x, and here we have a variable x, and here we have a variable x. So next again we have a variable x, here we have a variable x, and here we have a variable x. Next here y, here x and y. Okay, here you have a variable y way. Variable y che, variable y, and again variable y, variable y, variable y. So these and correct, what else? So these are your common factors. So you can write it only once. The x kine we are going to write only once. Hence the common factor are x into x into x into y into y. So you can write it as a x into x square, and y into y square. So x square and y square is your common factor of these algebraic expressions. Goes to say, this is how you're going to find out the common factors by using a common factor method. Now these are some exercise questions for you. You're going to solve these. Now these are some common factors exercise question. This is homework for you. You're going to solve it by your own self and by using a common factor method. Thank you for today and have a nice day.